बंधन के मुटियारा आईया पटोला बन के, कन्ना दे विच पिपल पतियां बाही चूड़ा खनके। बंधन के मुटियारा आईया पटोला बन के, कन्ना दे विच पिपल पतियां बाही चूड़ा खनके। मेरे सोने सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना। मेरे सोने सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना।
जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे, तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माई गहना वे। जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे, तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माई गहना वे। हाय दूरी है वैरी जिन्ना तू मेरा ओनी मैं तेरी।
मेरे सोने सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना। मेरे सोने सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना।
तेरा रास्ता वे नंगे पैर तुरना वे, तू है नाल मेरे ता मैं क्यों है डरना वे। तेरा रास्ता वे नंगे पैर तुरना वे, तू है नाल मेरे ता मैं क्यों है डरना वे। हाय दोनों ने रोना दोनों ने हंसना, सबनू वे दसना।
मेरे सोने सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना। मेरे सोने सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना। वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना। वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना।
पिपल पतिया बाई चूड़ा खनके, बंधन के मुटियारा आया पटोला बनके, कन्ना दे विच पिपल
तैनू इतना मैं प्यार करां, एक पल विच साबार करां। तू जावे जे मैनू छड़ के, मौत दा इंतजार करां। कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके।
here is known as Milap, and a short Dwar Puja, which is just prayers and offerings, invocations to the divine before we begin our ceremony today, as the families greet each other. Clasp your hands. Om Tadeva Lagnam Sudinam Tadeva Tarabalam Chandrabalam Tadeva Vidyabalam Daiva Balam Tadeva Gauri Patete Lakshmi Patete Vani Patete Adrugam Smarame Siddhyartham Pujita Surasurai Sarva Vignaharai Tasmai Ganadi Pataye Namaha Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunyama Devah Bhadram Pashyemakshabhiriratraha Stharairangai Sushthivagum Sastenobhi Deshema Deva Hitam Yadayu Swastina Indro Vriddhashravah Swastina Pusha Vishwavedah Swastina Stariksho Varishthanemihi Swastino Brihaspatirdadhatu Shataminnu Sharado Antideva Yatra Naschakra Jarasam Tadunam Putra Soyatra Pitaro Bhavanti Madhyari Rishitarugantoho Aditirdyauradiraantarikshamaditirmata Sapita Saputra Vishve Deva Panjajana Aditirjatamaditirjanitvam Dyauhu Shanti Prithavi Shanti Rapa Shanti Raushadhaya Shanti Vanaspatya Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvegvam Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Sama Shanti Redhisu Shantir Bhavatu Om Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashante Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Brahma Jnanam Pratamam Purasta Visimata Srucho Vena Ava Sabunnipamasya Vishtas Dasya Yoni Masatasya Viva Vishnu Raratamasi Vishnu Snaptreshto Vishnu Syorasi Vishnu Dhruvamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnave Tava Omkar Bindu Sanyuktam Nityam Dhyayanti Yogina Kamada Mokshadam Chaiva Omkaraya Namo Nama Atha Sri Trimurti Devata Bhyo Namo Nama Dhyayami Nama Om Bolisya Bhaj Raja Ramachandra Bhagavan Ki Jai.
जो तेरे संग लगी प्रीत मोहे, रूह बार बार तेरा नाम ले, के रब से मांगी यही दुआ, तू हाथों की लकीरें थाम ले।
चुप है बातें, दिल कैसे बयां मैं करूं, तो ही कह दे वो जो बात मैं कह ना सकूं।
के संग तेरे पानियों सा पानियों सा पानियों सा बहता रहूं, तू सुनती रहे मैं कहानियां सी कहता रहूं। के संग तेरे बादलों सा बादलों सा बादलों सा उड़ता रहूं, तेरे एक इशारे पे तेरी ओर मुड़ता रहूं।
Give me a thumbs up.
The most senior person in our community, a stalwart, and who is close to the groom's family as well. And so we're grateful to have him here as well. Friends and family, before we begin the ceremony today, I have a request on behalf of the bride and the groom. So all those of us who are standing at the back, or all those who are standing in the front, if everybody could kindly direct our attention to our mandap today. The bride and the groom, on behalf of them both, I'd like to welcome you all. And I make the special request that, all of us have been given the privilege and honor of having been invited to join them in their wedding ceremony. And for this reason, we ask that everybody kindly direct their attention to the ceremony this whole time. That weddings are, of course, first and foremost, a social, event, a time for family to meet and to greet. But above that, weddings are rooted in faith and in prayer. And so we ask that everybody use these moments, this short time that we're here together this morning, to pray together in whatever way as we pray together with the bride and the groom. And so I'll kindly ask all those, again, all the gentlemen at the back who are standing, if they could kindly take their seats or head outside if needed.
केशवाय नमः स्वाहा, ओम माधवाय नमः स्वाहा, ओम नारायणाय नमः स्वाहा. Wash your hands. हस्त प्रक्षालनं समर्पयामि गोविंदाय नमो नमः. Auntie, take your seat. Left hand, take your left hand. We purify our body. Take your right ring finger. ओम वाङ्मयास्य अस्तु, ओम नसुर में प्राणो अस्तु, ओम अक्ष्णुर में चक्षुरस्तु, ओम कर्णो में श्रोत्रमस्तु, ओम बाहुर में बलमस्तु, उर्वो में ओजवस्तु, अरिष्ठानि में अंगाणि, तनुस्तनवा में सह सन्तु. श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद सकल सौभाग्यं देहि मे. श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ओं महालक्ष्मी अंबिकाय दीपस्वरूपिणी महालक्ष्मी अंबिकाय नमो नमः. Come have a seat. Friends and family, we do now what is known as the Sankalp. Sankalp is the vow that we take before we perform any religious work. And so in these mantras, Dylan, we call your name, the time, the place, to formally announce to the divine that we're seated here to begin the ceremony. Hold this in your hand. Om Hari Om Tat Sat Om Vishnu 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 Nama Paramatmane Shri Purana Prashautamaya Shri Parameshwarakyaya Adya Brahmani Dite Pararde Shri Shvedvaraha Kalpe Vaivasvatmanavantare Ashtavinshate Tame Kalyuge Kalipratham Charane Jambudvipe North America Khante Canada Deshe Brampton Nagare Aryavratam Targata Brahma Pradeka Dese Vikram Shagai Baudhavatare Vartamane Yathanam Samvatsare Shri Shubha Samvata Pingala Namabda Samvatsare Kartika Mase Krishna Pakshe Shani Vasare Tritiyat Dhauyam Kritika Nachatra Shri Vyatipata Yoga Ravi Dakshinayane Vanguna Visheshanam Shisthayam Shubha Punyadane Sakala Shruti Smriti Pauranukta Phala Prapti Gamam Amukhnam Yajmanasya. Your right name? Gansham. Gansham Namadeyasya Amuk Rashi Amuk Gotrotpana Bhaskare Amuk Gotrotam Sharmaham Varmaham Shruti Smriti Pauranukta Dharma Karta Siddhyartham Mama Vivaha Sangata Phala Siddhyartham Shri Yajni Purusha Narayana Prithyartham Ado Ganeshadinam Sarvesham Devanam Avahanam Puja Chaham Sankalpam Aham Karishye. We offer brief Swasti Vachan. Swasti Vachan is prayers of auspiciousness. Om Swasti na Indro Vridhashravah Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedah Swasti na Stariksho Arishtane me Swasti no Brihaspatir Dadhatu Om Paya Prithavyang Paya Ushadhisho Payo Divyantarikshe Payodah Payasvate Pradhisha Santu Mahyam Om Vishnuraratamasi Vishnu Snaptrishto Vishnu Syorasi Vishnu Drovasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetavaum Agnir Devata Vato Devata Suryo Devata Chandrama Devata Vaso Devata Rudra Devata Aditya Devata Maruto Devata Vishwe Deva Devata Brihaspatir Devata Indro Devata Varuno Devata Dhyohu Shantir Antarikshavam Shanti Siddhyartham Pujita Surasurai Sarvigna Harai Tasmai Ganadipataye Namaha. Clasp your hands. Friends and family, we now do what is known as Ganesh Puja. Our bride, Ruby, has performed elaborate puja before the Bharat's arrival, where she performed elaborate puja to Lord Ganesha, to Kalash, to Lakshmi Ma, to Gauri Ma, to the Navagraha, to the Trimurti. And so, Now Dylan is given a less intensive job to do here, because Ruby took care of most of the work. But you're here to offer some prayers, some prarthana to Ganesh Bhagwan in a Panchupchar Puja. Ganesh Ji is the remover of all obstacles, the giver of intelligence, mental strength, and wisdom. Ganesh Ji has an elephant head. The elephant in the jungle uses his head to push through all the trees, all the obstacles that come in his way. And so we pray and ask as well today that may Ganesh Bhagwan with his elephant head bless you, Dylan, as you offer this Panchupchar Puja, to remove any obstacles in your path and to clear the path of any challenges. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakote Samaprabha Nirvighna Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Sriman Mahaganadipataye Namah Dhyayami Avahayami Asanam Samarpayami Namam Atha Panchupchara Pujanam Om Lam Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam Ritam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Avatvamam Avatu Vaktaram Avashrotaram Avadataram Avadhataram Avanuchanvavashishyam Avapaschatat Avapurastat Avachotaratat Avadakshinatat Avachordhvatat Avadharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantatam Vangmayastam Chinmayahtam Anandamayastam Brahmamaya Tam Satchidanandadhritiyo Tam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayo Vasi Sarvam Jagadidam Tatto Jayate Sarvam Jagadidam Tatashtisthati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvailayaneshyate Sarvam Jagadidam Tvaipratyeti Tvam Bhumirapu Nalo Nilo Nabha Iti Panchupchara Pujanam Vigneshwaraya Varadaya Surapriyaya Lambodharaya Sakalaya Jagatitaya Nagananaya Shrutiyagna Vibhushitaya Gauri Sudaya Gananatha Namo Namaste. Prem se bolo Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. Ganesha. We offer our prarthana to the Trimurti. Trimurti are the Trinity in Hindu Dharma. Lord Brahma, who represents the creative force, Lord Vishnu, who is responsible for sustenance, and Bhagavan Shiva, who is responsible for regenerative destruction. Om Brahma Jnanam Pratamam Purastadasi Mata Suruchavenava Sabunypamasya Vishtha Satasya Yoni Mastasya Viva Shri Brahma Devaya Namo Namaha Shri Vishnu Devataya Namaha Ritakam Satya Para Brahma Purusham Krishna Pingalam Urdhvaretam Virupaksham Vishwarupaya Vai Namo Namaha Om Sam Sadashiva Parameshwaraya Namaha Shambhavaya cha Mayo Bhavaya cha Namah Shankaraya cha Mayaskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Shivataraya cha Hara Hara Mahadevaya Namo Namaha Trimurti Devata Bhyo Namo Namaha. We'll now ask for Ruby's father to come around here. So Dylan, your father-in-law to be, not your father-in-law yet, your father-in-law to be formally welcomes you as a son. The friends and family in the Janvas, Pandit Lauman Ji had so skillfully offered the mantras to signify the welcoming of the groom into the bride's family with the men who were present there. And now in front of all the invitees, all the guests, all the friends and family, Ruby's father is here to say, I formally welcome you as a son into this family. That he offers, rituals, puts a chandan on you, etc. That this is the form of Hindu worship. And today he's saying to you, not that you are God, but that he sees divinity and he sees God within you. Because this is the underlying principle of Hindu Dharma, that divinity exists in all things and in all beings. But today it's special because he's highlighting those good qualities within you. And so he's saying for whatever bad ways you might have, today he's choosing to see all the goodness that exists inside of you. Take this palm leaf. Om Vishtara Vishtaro Vishtaro Vishtaram Ittena Ukate Vishtara Pratigahyatamiti Data Vadet. Give him his hand. Sit on this like a seat. Put it on your seat. Sit. No, put it on your bench. On your bench. Yeah. Om. Sit on back. Put this by his foot. Om. Underneath. Sahasra Shirsha Purusha Sahasraksha Sahasrapad Sabhumim Vishwato Vritva. Sprinkle on his foot. Ashtatishta Dashangulam Padinityenukate Vashmosi Samanumadyatameva Surah Imanta Bhishtami Yoma Kaschidabhasadati Jalam cha Kumkumam Chaiva Tandulam Pushmameva cha Sarvaushadi Samayuktam Panchangam Padyamukyate. Om Kasturi Tilakam. Wash his hands a little bit. Kasturi tilakam lalata patale vakshastale kaustubam nasagre varimautikam karatale venu hari kankanam sarvangi harichandanam sulalitam kanthescha muktavali gopastri paraveshthate vijayate upala chudamani yat purusham yadadu katidhave kalpayan mukham kimasya kaubahu Kavuru Padavuchayate Chandrama Manaso Jatas Chaksho Suro. Right hand. Chandrama Manaso Jatas Chaksho Suro Ajayata Mukhalindrascha Yagnischa Pranadvayurajayata. You can go back to welcome Ruby. Oh, wait 1 second. One more thing before you go. Here, take this in your hand. Friends and family, this is known as the Madhu Park. Madhu Park is a sweet offering mixture that you give to Dylan. When Bhagwan Krishna was to get married, he was rescuing Rukmini from an evil king, and so there was no time to, have a full wedding ceremony in that moment. And so to signify the acceptance of Lord Krishna as his son-in-law, Rukmini's father extended the Madhu Park, this sweet mixture, to Lord Krishna. And so in the same way you extend the sweet mixture to Dylan today, that may the nature of your relationship always be like this. Accept it in your hand, Dylan. Om Madhuparko Madhuparko Madhuparkam itnena ukate Madhuparkam pradikyatamiti data vadit Om Madhuparkam pradigrihnamiti abhidayeva varaha. Look at it and offer it to the divine as well. Mitrasyetri Prajapati Rishi Bhaktis Chando Mitro Devata Madhuparkam Darshane Vinyogaha. Take your right ring finger, duck it inside and taste it. Om Yan Madhuno Madhavyam Paramagvam. Taste it. Paramagvam Rupamannadyam Tenaham Madhuno Madhavyena Paramena Rupena Dena Paramo Madhavyena Do Asani Itnena Bharatra Madhuparka Prashanam. How it tastes? So Uncle, you can go back to welcome the bride, and I'll ask, it'll be remiss of me if I don't ask Panditji to offer one mantra here today as well, while we prepare to welcome the bride. Please, Panditji.
Give his loving daughter to a very wonderful groom. He just tastes that sweet thing that was given to him by the father, and the father expected that his daughter will have sweet words with her husband every day in their life and among the family also. So we ask Bhagavan Ganapati, Lakshmi to bless both of you today, where you are going to accept each other to become husband and wife.
मैं जी सकता नहीं कोई दूसरी मैं शर्ता भी
he's the guy to go to. And I know that he's raised such a wonderful family, and so he is the right guy to be going to. And so also, if Dylan gives you a hard time, this is the guy you gotta approach. And so he offers to you now this garland, which is known as a dagpat. This is a soft garland made of wool, and it symbolizes the nature of this relationship, that as a big brother to you now, may your relationship always be gentle, may he always be caring. Rani, wash your hands. Om Hastaprakshanam Smarpayami Govindaya Namaha. Drink. Keshavaya Namah Swaha. Madhavaya Namah Swaha. Narayanaya Namah Swaha. Wash. Hastaprakshanam Smarpayami Govindaya Namo Namaha. Om Tadeva Laganam Sudinam Tadeva. Tarabalam Chandrabalam Tadeva. Vidyabalam Devabalam Tadeva. Gauri Patete. Lakshmi Patete. Varni Patete. Adrugam Smarami. So the second condition of this relationship is that he always comes bearing gifts. And so you can always go to him for a gift as well. He has a gift for you and a gift that he'll give to the Bauji after her as well. Thank you, Rani.
Who's doing a Badr Odell?
I'll ask Vijay to come to the stage now as well. Friends and family, you will know that, you will see that there are a lot of roles that are played in the wedding ceremony. That we have the groom's brother, now we have the bride's brother, we have the bride's parents. This is because you must have heard the saying that it takes a village to feed a child. And so the whole village plays a role in our wedding ceremony here today. And this part is known as the Kanyadan. Kanyadan is not the giving away of the bride, because we believe that the bride represents Lakshmi. Lakshmi is the divine mother, and how can the divine ever be given away? But Kanyadan represents the giving of this relationship, the intimacy and the sacredness of the relationship that Ruby would have shared with her mother and her father and her brother. They now give that and entrust you with that, Dylan. And for this reason, in our culture, as part of the Kanyadan, we have this thing called the loy, the ball of dough. And hidden inside the ball of dough is a gift for Dylan. And it has to be a very valuable gift for Dylan. And this represents the nature of this relationship, that the secrets of this family that have shared between Ruby and her parents are now being entrusted to you, hidden inside this ball of dough. That's how valuable that relationship is. And so I will ask for the bride and the bride's parents to come behind as well and to place Ruby's hand into Dylan's hand. Uncle, place her right hand into Dylan's right hand. Dataham Varuno Raja Dravyamaaditya Devatam Varo Suvishnu-rupena Pratigrihya Vyama Vidihi Yati Patitva Deshakalo Sankirtamukha Gotra Muksharma Mama Samasta Prittanam Nirita Shayananda Brahma Loka Vaptyadi Kanyadana Kalpokta Phalavapyate Anena Vrenasyama Kanya Padayashyamana Santatya Dvadashavaran Purushan Pavitri Kartrimatascha Shri Lakshmi Narayan Pritaya Brahma Vivedhanam Kanyadanam Sankalpamaham Karishe. No, place this in her right hand, up palm forward. And Vijay, take this lota of water. And as I recite the mantra, you will pour it over their hand. Om Lakshmi Priya Harshadati Lakshmi Rivajana Priya Saubhagida Vasiram Haritri Shri Sadasya Om Imam Kanya Salam Kara Svarnajatimani Mukti Badhir Madataut Pita Kaushaya Shobheta Om Kanya Kanyaka Sampannam Vastra Bharanerutam Dasyami Vishnave Tubhyam Brahmaloka Jigishaya Mrishaya Sarva Bhutanam Sakshina Sarva Devata Imam Kanya Pradasyami Pitranam Taranaya Cha Kanyadanam Mahadanam Sarvadaneshu Durlabham Tadadya Deva Yogena Tvam Grihana Varotama Gauri Kanya Mimam Vipra Yatha Shakti Vibhushitam Gotraya Sharmane Tubhyam Dattam Viprasamashraya Mavam Shamadbhuta Yad Varshani Palita Tubhyam Varamaya Datta Putra Pautra Pravardhini Kanya Kanaka Sampannam Vastra Bharanerutam Dasyami Vishnave Tubhyam Brahm Abdiya Vishnu Loka Jagishaya Vijay was Jagishaya. Empty this inside. You were supposed to do it. Empty it here. Nothing. Kanyadanaham karishe. Take your seats back. I'll ask the Bauji to come now to tie the knot together. Bauji. Go back. The Bauji is the sister-in-law of the bride, and typically it's sister-in-law, but in any case, in the absence of a sister-in-law, a sister figure who's married fills this role. And so your sister, elder sister figure, fills that role here today. And she ties the two of you together. So this is the point of no return. Once they tie you together, there's no running. And so she's here to say, as someone who's also been in this role as well, she understands the responsibilities that come with this. And so she joins you together in marriage. Take this in your hand. And place this in the shawl and then tie them together. Put this in the shawl. Om Saraswati Pradame Vasubhaga Vyajani Yamatva Vishwasya Bhutaraya Prajayamagratah. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garudadhvaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalaya Tano Hari, Mangalam Bhagavan Shambho, Mangalam Vrishabhadvaja, Mangalam Parvati Natha, Mangalam Bhaktavatsala, Granthi Bandhana Kuryat. Have the tie very tight. Om Saraswati Pradame Vasubhaga Vyajani Yamatva Vishwasya Bhutaraya Prajaya Maryata Gratah Granthi Bandhana Kuryat. Friends and family, we now do what is known as the Jaya and Laja Homa, sacred offerings into the fire, after which the bride and groom will take their 7 rounds around it. Fire plays an important role in the Hindu ceremony, because we believe that it is a transformative element. It is an element that can purify. It is an element that transforms. That when you put raw ingredients into the fire, it turns into food. When you put raw metal into the fire, it turns into jewelry. And so this relationship is solemnized with the fire. That in the presence of the sacred fire, your relationship is transformed from partners into husband and wife. And so as we do the Jaya and Laja Homa, I'll ask Sanjay and Priya to lead us in appropriate bhajan. Om Vaishwalaya Namaste Stum Namaste Havyavahana Swagatam Te Surasvishta Shanti Kuru Namostu Te Agni Miri Purohitam Yajnasareva Mritvajam Hotaram Ratnadhatamam Sri Bhagavan Agnai Namo Namaha Agnenaya Supatharaya Smana Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwani Tismajuran Meno Vishtam Te Namuktim Vidhema. You have to come a little closer. Om Prajapate Swaha Idam Prajapate Idam Nama. Just to come up there. No, just come a little as close. Indraya Swaha Idam Indraya Nama. Om Agnaya Swaha Idam Agnayam Nama. Om Somaya Swaha Idam Somayam Nama. Om Bhu Swaha Idam Agnayam Nama. Om Bhuva Swaha Idam Vayadam Nama. Om Swa Swaha Idam Suryayam Nama. Yatha Bana Praharanam Kavacham Varikam Bhavet. Tatvadevopaghatanam Shanti Bhavati Varika. Shanti Rastu Pushrastu. There's samagri there. Samagri. Shanti Rastu Pushrastu Shrastu Pudrastu Papam Taprakatamastu Juspadisu Shanti Bhavati. Just you alone. Yeah, just have you touch his hand. Om Chittam Cha. Om Chittam Cha Swaha Idam Chittaya Idam Nama. Om Chitischa Swaha Idam Chitye Nama. Om Akutam Cha Swaha Idam Akutaya Idam Nama. Om Akutischa Swaha Idam Akutye Namaha. Om Vijñatam Cha Swaha Idam Vijñataya Idam Nama. Give me that. The whole thing. Touch her hand.
ओम आर्यमणम इति मंत्रस्य अथर्वणऋषग्निदेवतनुषच्छन्दो लाजा होम विनियोग आर्यमणम देवं कन्याग्निमक्षयत सत्वनो आर्यमा देव प्रेतो मुञ्चन्तु मापते स्वाहा इदम् आर्यमणेदं नम इयं नैरपब्रूते लाजनपन्तिका आयुष्मानस्तुते पतिरे दन्तां ज्ञातयो मम स्वाहा इमग्नेदं नमः इमां लाजानवपाग्नौ समृद्धिकरणं तव मम तुभ्यं संवनं तद् निर्मणुकण्ठे स्वाहा इमग्ने तेन सर्वलाजानजो होते तुभ्यम् अग्ने इदं नमः स्वाहा तुभ्यम् अग्ने इदं नमः स्वाहा तुभ्यम् अग्ने इदं नमः स्वाहा After this, you'll stand on the first floor. Yeah. We can put this down. Every round around the fire. When they stand up, every round around the fire, faces and ears.
Check 1, 2.
Last one, right? Sitaye Pate Namah Swaha. Sitaye Pate Namah. Sitaye Pate Namah. Hold it. Om Rama Rama Ramchandra Jagannatha Sitaye Pate Namah Krishna Pate.
to do the steps now. Yeah. You able? You able your foot? Okay, go through it. Go that way. No, stop. Face the front.
प्रेम से बोलो सियावत राजा रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. So friends and family, they've made their rounds around the fire, and now they do the Saptapadi, the 7 steps. And so Dylan, take Ruby's hand in your hand, just like you normally do when you go for walks. So you take a little 7-step walk here today. But friends and family, those of you who don't know, Ruby is actually severely injured and is wearing a cast. So we'll be very patient with her today. But they'll take really small steps until they reach the front of the stage. The first step, you pray and ask that may you always be blessed with nourishment. Om Tatra Prathame Om Ekamashe Vishnu Svanayatu Vittekam Paramukdadati. Second, may you always be blessed with strength. Om Dvitiya Urje Vishnu Svanayatu Vittekam Paramukdadati. Third, may you be blessed with wealth. Om Tatiya Triniraya Sposhaya Vishnu Svanayatu Ittekam Paramukdadati. Fourth, may you always be blessed with happiness. Om Charuttayom Chatvarmayo Bhavaya Vishnu Svanayatu Ittekam Paramukdadati. Fifth, may you be always blessed and enjoy the nature around you. Om Panchama Pashubhyo Vishnu Svanayatu Ittekam Paramukdadati. Sixth, may you be blessed and enjoy all the seasons. Om Sharatubhyo Vishnu Svanayatu Ittekam Paramukdadati. And seventh, may you be blessed to be lifelong companions to one another. Sapte Sakhe Saptapada Vishnu Svanayatu Ittekam Paramukdadati. So, friends and family, in front of Ruby and Dylan is a rock. So, an obstacle has come in your path now. And so, Dylan has a very important job here today. So, Ruby, place your right foot on top of the rock, or you can sit down if you need to. Are you able? Okay, good. Put your foot on it. And now, Dylan, your job is to remove the rock with your right foot from underneath Ruby's foot. So don't throw her down. But when I recite the mantra, you'll do it. So there's some rules to this here, right? The rules are that if you are unable to remove this rock from Ruby's foot, Ruby gets to call the shots in the house. And because I'm Avinash's family, which is Ruby's extended family, even if you are able to remove the rock from her foot, Ruby still gets to call the shots in the house. And so when I recite the mantra, I give you a best shot. Om Arohim Ashman Ashmevat Vagvam Sthira Bhavat Abhitishta Pratanyato Bhavadasva Pratanayataha. Lots of poet here. Prem Savo Siyavaj Ramachandra Bhagavan ki Jai. Take your seats back how you were seated. Fix back her seat for her. So friends and family, we're approaching the end of the ceremony. But many of you may have noticed that Ruby is seated on Dylan's right-hand side as opposed to his left. And those of you who are familiar with, Hindu marriage and the Hindu married life, you would know that the bride is usually seated, or the wife is usually seated on the left-hand side of the groom, closest to his heart. But before Ruby takes her rightful place, closest to Dylan's heart, she has 7 requests that she makes to you, Dylan. Well, I make on behalf of her to you today. And so your job is to agree to all of them, and then he's happy to come to your left-hand side. So first, Om Tirtha Vrato Dhyapanayagyadanam Maya Sahatvam Yadi Kinna Kurya Vamangamayami Tadatvadiyam Jagadavakyam Prathamam Kumari. Dylan, she says to you that if you ever go on any tirth, in Hindu customs, tirth or pilgrimage is an important idea. That if you ever go to any place of worship, that you must always include her. Do you agree?
Yes.
You have to say loud so people can hear you.
Yes.
Good. Second. Havya pradane ramaran pitrimscha kavya pradanaayadi pujayetha vamangamayami tada tvadiyam jagad kanya vachanam dvitiyam. She says that if you ever do any pitri puja, those of you who are familiar, Pitri Puja or honoring the ancestors is an important part of Hindu Dharma, that both of you would have done Pitri Puja before the weddings. And I believe on the tables, they've so nicely honored their dearly departed ones on their handout. And so she says that if you ever have the desire to do any Pitri Puja, any memorial service, any Shraddha, that may you always include her at your side because your family is now hers and vice versa. Do you agree?
Yes.
Good. Third one. Om Kutumba Raksha Bharane Yadi Tvam Kurya Pashunam Paripalanam Cha Vamangamayami Tada Tvadiyam Jagad Kanya Vachanam Tritiyam. She says Kutumba Raksha, that may you always be committed to protecting this family that we're building. And Pashunam Paripalanam Cha, may you always protect the innocent creatures, or even the animals, lower forms of life. That may you be a protector to all beings in this world. And if you agree, she's happy to come to your left side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Nice. Next. Ayavyayo dhanya dadadikanam prishva nivesham cha grahena dadhya vamangamayami tada tvadiyam jagad kanya vachanam chaturtham. So you heard already that the Lakshmi, the bride is the Lakshmi of the home. And Lakshmi is the goddess of the finances. And so she's saying that any financial decisions in this home must never be taken alone. That you must always consult with her for any big decisions. And if you agree, she's happy to come to your left side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Good. Next one. Devalaya Ramatataga Kupa Vabe Vividya Yadi Pujayetha Vamangamayami Tada Tvadiyam Jagad Kanya Vachanam Cha Panchamam. Fifth. The word in the mantra is Kupa, which means well. And in the mantra it's saying that long ago people used to build wells to sustain the village, sustain the community. But today what that means is if you do any community work, any community building, anything to support the community around you, then may you always include her at your side. And if you agree, she's happy to come to your left side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Next. Deshantareva sapurantareva yada vidadhya avikayayo tvam vamangamayami tada tvadiyam jagad kanya vachanam cha shashtham. She says that Dylan, for whatever reason, work or family, you might have to travel or may have to go away from home, local or otherwise. She said that's good, do what you have to do, but she's very concerned about your well-being. And so for that reason alone, she asks that you always let her know about your whereabouts at all times. And if you agree, she's happy to come to your left-hand side. Do you agree?
Yes.
So your phone location services are on now.
No.
Next one. Nasevaniyam pariparakiya tvamavabodhavini kamanite vamangamayami tada tvadiyam jagad kanya vachanam cha saptamam. Seventh and final request she makes is, Dylan, up until this point you must have had many friends, male or female. She says that's all fine, keep your friends. But from today onwards, any female you look at, you must look at as your mother, your daughter, or your sister. And if you agree, she's happy to come to your left-hand side. Do you agree? That was very quick. She says, not even in your dreams you must see anybody else. But you already agreed, so she already locked you in there. But it's only fair that Dylan gets to make a request to Ruby as well. And so on behalf of Dylan, I say, Madhya chitta nugatam cha chittam sada madagnya paripalanam cha pativrata dharma parayana tvam kurya sada sarvam imam prayatnam. In Hindu Dharma, there's this idea of pativrata dharma, which is the responsibility of a bride to support her groom, her husband. And this is because in Hindu Dharma we believe that Shakti, the divine feminine, is the underlying force of everything. And she is the Shakti of the home. And so she supports in the capacity of enabling you, not in the capacity of serving you. And so in this mantra, Dylan says to you, Ruby, that he asks that may you always be a supportive entity in his life, his goals, his ambitions. May you always support him and guide him as he hopes to improve himself as a man as he enters this new stage. And so he also says there'll be a time where, he's not as strong and good looking and healthy as he is today. That even in those days, may you love him just as much. And if you agree, he's happy to accept you on his left-hand side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Wonderful. You can switch sides now. प्रेम से बोलो सिया भज राजा रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. Friends and family, we're approaching the end of the ceremony. All we have left to do is the rings, the Mangalsutra, the sindoor, and the legal portion. And so I'll call the witnesses up to the stage right now to be on standby. And in this time, we'll have Sanjay and Priya lead us in some beautiful renditions. Thank you. Songs. The Mangalsutra. This is the sindoor, right? Okay. Hold on to that one second. Mangalsutra?
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. इस जगह गई चाहते अब मेरी छीन लूंगा तुम्हें सारी दुनिया से ही तेरे इश्क पे हाँ हक मेरा ही तो है कह दिया है ये मैंने मेरे रब से भी जिस रास्ते तू ना मिले उस पे न हो मेरे कदम तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम
Joint applicant, yeah. Sing. And then witnesses. First, who's Ruby's witness? Ruby's witness sign right here, signature of witness. And then sign this one here. Under. You have one more today. प्रभाकराय नमोस्तुते ध्रुवमसि ध्रुवं तां पश्यामि ध्रुवै दीपौषमे मयि मह्यं तदात बृहस्पतिर्मया पत्या प्रजापति संजीव शरदा शतम्. Now Dylan and Ruby touch each other's hearts. Place your hand on each other's hearts. Right hand on their heart. And may your hearts always be in sync. Om mama vardete hridayam dadhami mama chittam anuchittam te astu mama vacham ekena jushasva prajapatishva nayaktu mahyam iti hridaya sparsha. Good, next time. Come to the front. Shri Raghuvar Komal Kamal Nayan Ko Pehnao Jai Mara Pehnao Jai Ye Murat Surima Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Garduja Mangal Rekaksh Mangalayatan Hari Mangalam Parvati Nasa Mangalam Bhagavatsala Mangalam Parvati Nath Mangalam Bhaktavatsala. Om Shiv Hare Shiv Ram Sake Prabhu Trividhi Tapani Varan He Vibhu Shiv Hare Shiv Ram Sake Prabhu Trividhi Tapani Varan He Vibhu Ajajaneshwar Yadav Shiv Hare Vijayam Pulume Varam Kamalalochana Ramatnayanite Har Guru Gajara Shatagopate Shivatano Bhava Shankar Harima Shiv Hare Vijayam Pulume Varam. Everybody clasp our hands. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva. And now present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Ruby and Dylan.
उड़ती चिड़िया पिंजरे में अज सजया है वे सारा शहर, अज हो गई आवे रब दी महर। हाय सजया है वे सारा शहर, अज हो गई आवे रब दी महर। अखियां चो डिगदे हंजू खुशियां दे, तेरी बन जाना अज तू सजना वे।